Okay, this is the email profits one-time offer slash upsell page. So here we are in the live editor. Again, this one looks a little bit different in the live editor than the actual live view. So we're going to go to the live view and I'll show you what I mean, how this there's a separation between this yellow and this blue, and this warning up here actually is up in this area. Let me show you real quick what I mean. Right there, see this warning is up here under the logo, and the yellow line is actually touching the blue. It does not quite look that way in the live editor, but let me show you how to edit this thing. So up here on the top header, this is just a row. So this blue is a background image, which you can replace with your own header image, or if you want to just remove it altogether and use a color, you would do that up here and then update that. This right here is where we are going to add the warning. So that's actually right here. Now it gets kind of wacky inside the live editor. So you would change that right here, and all of its options are in here, and then you update that. And this yellow line right here is actually the bottom row of the top header. So it's a 20 pixel border at the bottom, and you can change that color from yellow to whatever you want right here, and then update that. So other than that, here's a upsell OTO video goes right here. You just swap out this video with yours, put your YouTube URL there, or you can use an embed code or a URL. This is your payment button. Well, this is your, what your payment is. You can change that here. Your payment button is here. You can change the style and what it says and everything right here, and the colors and all that. So then you put a link to your actual checkout page right here in this button, and then save that out. This down here is a feature box. So to change this, these images, these are just images right here. Change that, click on the pencil, and then again click on the pencil once you're inside. And there you can see the icons and the guarantee, the lock. You can change that to whatever you want if you want to change it, and then its text, and then you can update that. The credit card icons are an image. These two are not. I'm sorry, these are like little bullets. So I just put in a margin on this image here of these credit cards, which is the little element below that looks empty, but actually it's the credit card images. You can remove that, use your own, don't use those at all, completely up to you. And then it has that negative margin to bring it up even with this other stuff. So then you would update that there. That takes care of that. Here you can add a different image in here. This is just an image. These are bullet points you can change, and you can change the icons. You can change this little testimonial thing, add in your own image instead of mine, of course. This button is essentially just a clone of this one here, works the same way. Change your guarantee down in this section. So if you want to change this background image is actually the exact same as this one up here. So you change that the same way, hover on the row options, and then click on the pencil, and then go down there, remove the image. Again, you can change the background to that, whatever you want. And then there is a top and bottom border that is yellow, and you can change that color there. So as far as this stuff goes, if you want to do a 60-day guarantee or whatever it is, you just click on the pencil, go in, swap that out from 30 to 60. Guarantee seal I used is just an image, but you could, if you wanted to, if you don't like this one, go in here and then just type in guarantee, and you can use one of these right here if you like these better. So select one of those, boom, now you got a different one. completely up to you. Down here, change this little header, another clone button. You already seen how these work. This is exactly the same as up top. This is exactly the same as up top. Your privacy policy and all your disclaimers, if you want those, are in the layout settings and in the footer area. If you do not want this footer on there, you can just completely turn it off, update, and the page will reload. There we go. And if you scroll down now, the footer is completely gone. So that's it. That's how you edit the OTO offer. Go out, take it, use it, and make some upsells.